Hi everyone. Have you had enough of anxiety controlling your life? Have you had enough of fear making all of your decisions? Have you had enough of dreaming big but living small? And have you ever looked in the mirror and said, I thought I'd be further along in life by now? My name is Luke Larson, and I've been right there. Today, I'm the father of 4 happy, healthy children, husband to a magnificent woman. I own and operate a successful company. Every morning I get up and either go to the gym or run for a couple of hours, and the future has never looked bigger and brighter for me. But it hasn't always been that way. You see, I was raised in an abusive home. In 2015, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. In 2017, my daughter was born 4 weeks premature and spent 12 long days in a newborn intensive care unit. My wife and I had to balance life between our 3 kids at home and our daughter in the hospital. And my daughter hadn't been in the NICU even a week when I found out that my best friend had passed away. So you see, my life has come with challenges just like you. The kicker for me is that I've spent most of my life studying self-help, studying the power of positive thinking, studying how to overcome obstacles, studying leadership. And I found myself in these times of trial having difficulty formulating a positive thought, let alone putting my life on track for success. And I didn't understand why. Why, if I had all of this knowledge in my head about these subjects, could I not help myself? I dove into the subject further and I learned a couple of things. I learned how to actually overcome fear. I learned actually how to overcome anxiety. I learned how to actually overcome any limiting thought that we may have. I learned actually how to take control of your life. I want to share what I've learned with you. And so I am inviting you to a workshop to be held on August 10th, 2019 at the Majestic Inn and Spa in Anacortes, Washington. I'm going to give you the practices, the principles that will get your life on track. If your life is off track, we're going to get it on track. If you like where you're at, but you want to go further, we're going to help you get further. If you're being held down by limiting thoughts, being held down by anxiety or fear, we're going to show you how to get through that and actually take your power back. Now, seats to this event are limited, so make sure that you click the link below or the link in my bio to secure your seat today. By doing so, you are going to take the first step in taking control of your life and achieving the life that you want. I sincerely hope to see you there.